lovely ravens, welcome back to my channel. My name is Chantel and today we have the March scroller box. So let's open it on up. If you haven't heard of SCRAWLRBOX before, it is a monthly subscription box. This is not sponsored and not affiliated, but here we have it. You can get a £3 discount in the description box below. So this is the Finalizing for March. Ooh, I kind of like this print. This is created by Imri, and they are in Scotland. This is their socials. We have some A5 white card, 10 sheets. And these are the art supplies. All right. We have the scroller sticker. And the scroller challenge is Bionic Being, which does not necessarily mean that it needs to be a robot. Ooh, what is this? A Highland Toffee. Oars Woolies Brawl Chew Bar. Alright, never heard of it. Let's try it. We have some graphix sketch markers in cool gray deep, cool gray light, warm gray deep, warm gray, and warm gray light. We'll test them all out in a minute. We have a Koh-i-Noor Hartmouth Toysendor 1900 3B pencil. And we have a Rembrandt Polycolor Lara, made in Germany in dark violet. And last but not least, a Copic multiliner in black 0.3. I do like these multiliners. So there's that. Let's do some swatching. So I'll grab the very last page so it can bleed through on the cardboard. And let's try the pencil, a 3B, which is, I assume, just a pencil. It's nice. Feels a little bit scratchy, but it's nice. So this is, what is it, March? SCRAWLRBOX 2022. This is the 0.3 Copic multiliner. It's a nice multiliner. I mean, I've used them before and they are nice. Nope, we have another pencil. I wonder if everyone has this purple one. I'm pretty sure everyone has, but you know. Yeah, it says dark violet. So I'm sure everyone has the same one. No different colors. That would be fun, SCRAWLRBOX. Like, it would be fun to see different colors. Is this water soluble? That is the big question. Just curious. But yeah, it's really not water soluble, which I thought anyway, but no, you gotta try. So we have a bullet nib. No, not a bullet nib. A chisel nib and a bullet nib. Are you sure these are the warm grays? They do blend nicely together. Ooh, the darker colors are really juicy. But now that I've drawn with the other ones, they become a little bit more juicy now. So that's the warm grays. This is the cool grays. There we have it. The marker colors and all the other supplies. Yes, it does bleed through, but that's to be expected. Copic kind of sort of markers. That goes nicely over that. Pencil goes nicely over it too. And so does the color pencil. I think I might go for my illustration for the main character with this palette, just because I like the silver kind of grays with the purple better. And, you know, this could be the floor or something. I don't know. Something like that. We'll have a look. And, well, let's just get started. I just drew out this little potion bottle thing. I'm not really good at drawing robots, but I can draw potion bottles, I suppose. So let's use some Copic multi-liner and then do some line art. All right. I'm pretty happy with this. I'm just gonna erase all the pencil lines and then I will do the Copics. Or it's not Copics, the sketch markers. And here is my bionic being for this March scroller box. I really like how this kind of simple illustration turned out, and I hope you did too. I had fun with this box. I want to thank you all for watching, and I will see you all in the next one. Bye bye.